welcome to my channel. It's me, ZinIvy, and welcome to my Zumbawear unboxing. So I have received my new orders. As you can see, I'm wearing one of the t-shirt that's Zumbawear. So Zumba for all, by all. So and my Zumba headband also. So I'm gonna share a new collection that I just received, of course. And I ordered it because their new collection that was out by Zumba.com. So I want you to enjoy watching with me, and I'm gonna share small items. It's not a lot, but they always send in a big pack like this, so we'll see what's inside. So stay with me and I'll open it with you and share what I have. So I'm gonna first, it's still sealed, as you can see. So it's really unboxing of my Zumbawear collection. So just be careful with the knife, okay? So open it. Yep. So see? Well, they wrap it nicely, and it's nice because they're protecting their products inside. And see, the box itself, it has a big papers on it, and it's a long paper. Okay, so again, I ordered again a new Zumbawear bottle, and I'm using the other one, but maybe I'm gonna give this as a gift. So yeah, I love it. I really like it. It's a nice quality of bottled water. And then we have this one, a new leggings, but I will show you later, and I will do a mod shots for you to see. A new shirt. That's it. I told you it's just a big box, but not a lot of item in it. Okay, so let's take this one first. You know that I like blue colors, so I said I think I'm gonna get one blue because I really like it. So this one is in a size small. They call it Zumba Glow asymmetrical tee. Asymmetrical tee, banging blue. So it's a banging blue. See? Asymmetrical. Why it's symmetrical? Because of the cut. So it's really a symmetrical cut on it, and with a little cut of holes in it. See, you can see that everywhere. Here also, just to make a design on it. And there's a Zumba logo at the back. They have a Zumba logo at the back, and it's written, "The glow up is real." The glow up is real. So it means it will glow in the dark. So it was a cute one. It was a cute cut. Cute one. Yeah, this is the first one. This is size in XS/small. So it goes like this. But I will put down the mod shots just for you to show it, to see it, the styling. And then we have the new leggings. The size Marvelous Zumba Everywhere high-waisted leggings. You know, I ordered high-waisted leggings because I want to hide my tummy. I have a big tummy, so I need to hide it. So, not my waist. Cannot hide my waist. I'm hiding my tummy. So, by doing that, I really take high-waisted kind of leggings from Zumbawear. And they have a lot of designs and style of leggings. If you really are a Zumba lover, you're gonna love their designs, and it's all beautiful. So this is in size medium. It's a plain black, but there's a there's a beautiful styling at the side of the leggings. It's Queen Warrior, Dreamer, Superstar, Proud. Oh, I love that. Queen Warrior, Designer, Superstar, Proud, Sassy Bay. It's a nice design. See, really like Dreamer, superstar, proud, sassy, bay queen. Ooh, proud, sassy, bay queen. So it's really a positive comment on the side of the legging. So it's like a rainbow. It's like a rainbow leggings, but high-waisted. As always, you can see it's really high-waisted, and I'm a medium. I always take medium size, but it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful leggings. I love, 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 love the design. It's really unique. See, that's it. And I'm kind of curious with this one, that's why I took it. And it's what is this? Drawstring bag, 3 pieces. So it's a drawstring bag under Zumbawear also. So where's the opening of this one? Okay, here. Okay, it's hard to open, so I'll just, okay. So I have 3 pieces of Zumbawear drawstring bag. The first one, ooh, I like this. It's cute. But first, I need to remove it. This is the small size. So cute. So this is the logo of Zumbawear. This is the Beto Shuffle style Zumbawear logo. And this is in a silver logo. See, it blinks because it's shiny, shining, shimmering, and it's beautiful. So I can put some, see, it's just a plain black under, but it's really long and it's wide. It's nice. You can put shoes on it, or some personal things that you can put, maybe a towel. So it's up to you how you're gonna place your things inside. So this is a small size. Oh, this one, this is kind of different. Another Zumba, but just a plain Zumba board on it. Zumba. And it's nice. This is nice one. Just plain black as well, interior. But it's nice because it's like kind of nylon style, nylon bag. And the third one, this is the biggest one. See? This is Stay Pab Zumba. So really a drawstring, big one. You can put your laundry, your shoes, your towels, anywhere you go. So yeah, it's nice. This is cute. Stay Pab. So this is the cute one, actually. Kind of big version of it. So yeah, that's it. That's my small unboxing. So you can, as like what I'm saying, big box but not a lot of items, and the same thing as before, the Zumbawear. So this is a cute one also. So yeah, that's it, guys. I already shared everything. So like I'm saying, I will insert a mud shot so you can see how it fits on me, the leggings and one of the t-shirt that I have. So it's nice. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my small video clip for my Zumbawear, because I'm gonna always share what I always receive, so what I always ordered in Zumbawear, because at least it will give you an idea how cool the Zumbawear are. And they always give us a new collections that we're gonna enjoy to our class, to our students, that they're gonna in love also. Sometimes most of our students, they're buying their Zumbawear collection. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like this video. It's really appreciated if you can do that for me, please. So thank you so much. Thank you for staying in, and ZinIvy B here, signing up. Bye guys.